This is a Paper Tales What's in the Box video. 2 to 5 player game in about, I think it's about 30 minutes. Let's see. Yeah, 30 minutes. It's I guess a fairly quick game with actually, I think a cool looking cover. So, some rules, a scoreboard, some punch tokens here. They look okay. I wish they could have done a better job of the money, but maybe it fits with the theme. And then 2 decks of cards, which I'm not going to open right now. Basically, I guess buildings and some monsters, and then some items for in your city, and then scoring markers and I guess a blue either round order or king marker. I haven't played the game yet, so not much in there. There you have it. That is Paper Tales. What's in the box? Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and watch some of my other videos.